Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be tips and tricks on how to help you sleep at night. And don't worry, I used to struggle with this a lot too, and when I say struggle, I mean struggle. Like, I would go to school on like 4 or 3 hours of sleep just because I could not fall asleep for the life of me. And it's like, you know what? I've looked up some things, and then my grandma even helped me try to figure out why I couldn't sleep at night. So now I'm able to sleep at night, and I'm going to tell you what I do. And hopefully, this works for you. And if it doesn't, tell me what you do to help you sleep at night. Maybe I could start doing what you guys do. But, anyways, so first things first, I try to get myself in a relaxation mode. So let's say I get home from school or work immediately, I want to like take a shower, relax my body. And second thing is I need to eat like dinner. I cannot go to bed without dinner because there were a few times where I would wake up like early in the morning for no freaking reason and just not be able to sleep at all. Just like wake up like 2 in the morning. And there was this one day where I was just like, man, you know what? I'm gonna just eat something. So then I ate something. I think I ate like goldfish or something. I don't know. I ate it and I knocked out right after, and I was like, wow, I was just hungry. The next tip I would say is just really kind of stay away from technology like an hour or two before bed, because honestly, you can be watching all these YouTube videos and you won't realize that the time is going by, which is kind of ironic because you're watching a YouTube video right now. But you don't really realize how much time is going by watching all these videos until it's like too late. Like, you're not letting your body shut down because you're just so focused on watching these videos. So those are probably the things you already knew, and also like drinking some like warm tea before bed could also help you. I don't really like drinking liquids before bed because then I wake up and I have to pee. But you know what? If it works for you, it works for you. And this is going to be a short video, but I came across this stuff because I remember telling my boyfriend, like, I was just so frustrated with not being able to sleep. I was just going to take NyQuil, and he's like, don't take NyQuil. Or no, not NyQuil, but, no, yeah, I said NyQuil, and he's like, don't take NyQuil, that's bad. And I was like, alright, whatever. I was just so frustrated not being able to sleep. And then finally, I found out that there's ZzzQuil. And I told my grandma I was taking ZzzQuil, and she didn't like the fact that I was taking ZzzQuil. So she introduced me to this other, not a drug, but it's a healthier alternative because it's natural, and it's called melatonin. And honestly, they both work really. Can you see them? What? Okay, I'm sorry. Honestly, these both work really well, but with this, it kind of eases you to sleep, whereas this one, ZzzQuil, why is it? I can't. Whatever. Whereas ZzzQuil, it makes you feel really drowsy, like almost drunk in a way, which I don't really like, but it does hit you faster. So I guess it just depends if you want to be more healthier and take melatonin or ZzzQuil. I guess it's your preference. They both work well, they both work fine. I honestly, if I want to like fall asleep pretty quick, I'll take ZzzQuil. But if I have things I need to do and I don't want to feel drowsy, I just want to like be able to do something and then fall asleep comfortably, I take melatonin. But like I said, they do help, and honestly, they've made a difference. Like, I can sleep at night and I won't wake up at like 2 in the morning or like 3 in the morning. I won't have those nights where I just wake up and then not be able to sleep. Like, I sleep good. I sleep so well. And honestly, guys, this has made a world of a difference. But that's my nighttime routine, or my tips and tricks, actually. So let me know if they help you. Try it out. Tell me how they work for you, and if you tongue twisters, man. And if they don't work for you, let me know what happens, and hopefully it helps you. Okay. I'm sorry, I also haven't been posting regularly, and that's going to change because I will be posting a video once every week now. So if you want to continue watching my channel grow, hopefully, then keep watching. Next week's video will be me testing out laser hair removal products at home. So, wish me luck. Hopefully, I don't laser off my eyebrows, because then I'm gonna have to learn how to do my eyebrows. I'll cry. But, anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and hopefully, I'll see you next week.